What's up, YouTube? So we're back at it with another GS550 cafe racer build. What we're doing now is we got everything off the frame itself, swing arms off also. What we're doing right now is I took a spray-on paint stripper, which I just got from Walmart. It did an okay job. It still left a good bit of paint on it still. But what I'm doing right now is taking a grinder with a 80 grit sanding flap wheel and just going up and cleaning the welds around the frame. That way it looks pretty smooth and blends together. It doesn't look like it's actually welded together. I think it's going to look a lot cleaner whenever it's painted. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to finish getting some of the welds finished up and some of the rust off of it. And we'll get to it. So as you can see, we're cleaning up some of the welds, making it blend in pretty well. It looks like there's no seams or anything on the frame for the most part. Starting to come out pretty good. Still got to do majority of the frame still. Mostly it's going to be just the parts that you can see. I'm going to try to get some of the parts you can't see too, just to make everything symmetrical with it. But coming along, getting ready for powder coat. Haven't decided the colors yet, but we're going to do a rundown for that later on. Alright, so as you can see, we got the frame mostly done, mostly grinded down on the weld, making sure that everything's sanded and smoothed out and looking blended together very well. But gonna finish it up, get ready for powder coat, decide some of the colors. I'm probably gonna post a poll up on Instagram to see what colors, a couple different choices I'm thinking about right now. But if you guys have any opinions about what colors to go with, I should match the truck with the colors, if I should do something different, just drop a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue watching for the GS550 build. A lot more videos to come for this project. Like I said, we are going to be posting some more for the truck too, so don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Take it easy.